Hi everybody, this is Roxy and I have my little chalkboard finished. These are the dollar chalkboard from Dollar Tree. And then this was a dollar ornament from there too this year. And I just took my chalk markers, I think they're from Chocola, and drew a line around just to kind of, finish it off a little bit. But I just wrote, as you can see, Days Till Santa. You can write anything on there. I was going to do welcome, or you can write anything. So the way I glued it, E6000 behind the bottom half of the wheels and up under the underbody, all along the bottom. And then I put a dab of hot glue on both bottom parts of the wheels and then a little bits of hot glue here, because that'll adhere it quickly and then allow the piece to stay where you want it while the E6000 dries. It's a little kind of messy up there, but it's hard to not be messy with that. And then I just put a piece of double-sided tape down and included 2 command strips, a piece of chalk, and I'm going to sell these for $8. So my sale is this Saturday at the St. Paul River Center in downtown. I signed up probably a month ago, and I've emailed them 4 times with a question, and they never respond. So I am not very hopeful, but we'll see how it goes. There's supposed to be 140 some booths there. We also got notified that you can't bring any food in, no food at all, no drinks. You have to purchase from the cafe in River Center, or you can go out, where there's a ton of places downtown. But I think that's kind of a lot to ask, They're trying to make money, not spend money. So we'll see how it goes, like I said. And if I sell 1 million things and sell everything out, I'll be happy. But if not, I'll be unhappy. So let me know what you think of this. I'm all of a sudden getting plugged up. So I will say goodbye. Thanks for watching.